and welcome back to How to Guide. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Line application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Tap open your Line application, and as soon as the first interface opens, tap on the login button to log in. You have two options when it comes to log into your account, either log in with your phone number or with your Facebook. Let me tap on login with phone number here and tap on continue. Allow Line to make and manage phone calls by tapping on allow from the pop-up. Now, enter your phone number and tap on the next button in green at the bottom right. Confirm your phone number by tapping on OK. Once you tap on OK, you'll receive a text message with your verification code. You'll be automatically signed in after you receive the verification code, and now you have the option to restore your chat history. Select from the drop-down and select your Google account in order to restore your chat history. Tap on OK, or you can even skip the step for now by tapping on skip for now. To restore your chat history, tap on restore chat history, and on the next page, tap on the next button in green at the bottom right. Tap on continue from the pop-up, wait for a few seconds, and you have been logged into Line application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.